Good morning to my second grade class. Hey guys, happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020, 5/14/20. All right, my friends, let's get started. Let's walk you through your work for today. Hope you guys had a good Wednesday and that you were able to get out and play even though it wasn't sunny. It was kind of overcast. And if you needed to catch up on work, I hope you had an opportunity to get that done. All right, so you're gonna find your writing prompt, your flower pot stacked up, pick a prompt. We only have one more prompt. So today's Thursday, you're gonna pick a prompt and then you'll have one for tomorrow. All right, remember to use your sentence starters. Use your first, next, then, and last to help you write your 4 sentences. Use complete sentences, use adjectives, and check your punctuation. All right? Okay, if you're in my math class, we're going to start with the word problem. Remember to underline what you don't know, underline what you know, and circle what you don't know. Make sure you show your work, guys. And write the number sentence. Remember, when you're showing your work, there's lots of different ways you can do it. All right? Tally marks, draw pictures, draw a graph, do an array. Depends on what the problem's asking you, but you know, lots of different strategies. So make sure you show your work and write your number sentence. All right? All right, moving on to math. All right, you guys, we are going to continue forward with 2-digit addition. We've been doing this in Early Bird, and you've seen it many times, but we are just going to go ahead and go over the unit as well. So it's nothing new. It's just like what you have been doing, but we're going to make sure that we do the guided practice and independent practice, and then it's more than just kind of one question in your Early Bird. So you're going to do page 177, 178, 179, and 180, which is the problem solving on the back. All right, guys, so there's a little bit more math today, but you can do it, all right? Because this is normally what we would do in class together. And then you would do the word problems, the independent practice and the word problems on your own, and we would do the guided practice. Just want to make sure that we get through this and tomorrow's sheet, okay, on this unit. So for the first page, it's asking you to use your base 10 blocks, but you don't need to do that. You can just draw this out, okay? Morgan and her friends are collecting newspapers to recycle. One group collects 7 newspapers. Okay, so 7 newspapers. I'm going to just do this, and the rest of it I'm going to give you a video to watch because it's really hard to see when I'm holding stuff up like this. So the first, Morgan and her friends are collecting. One group collects 7 newspapers. Okay, so 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's in the ones. And the other group collects 15. So how many ones are in 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many 10s are in 15? 1. That's right. Okay? So how many newspapers have they collected in all? So if this is 10, I'm going to write it down here. 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness. Do we have more than 9 in here? Yes, we do. So this is where the regrouping comes in. So let me write out the problem. So 15 One group collects 7, the other group collects 15. How many newspapers have they collected in all? All right, so let's add this way first. So 10, oops, plus, let's count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 12. All right, so let's go up here. And we are going to add 10 plus 12. All right. So 10 plus 12. So remember, if you need to draw a line down the middle, this is your 1s, and this is your 10s. Okay, so remember this? Draw a line down the middle. So 0 plus 2 is what? 2. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So 22 total. So 22 newspapers. You guys see that? Okay. So as you go through the guided practice, you're going to see where you're going to use regrouping. I'm going to put up a couple of videos that are going to be able to show this much easier for you than me drawing this on a whiteboard. And I think it's going to just make it easier for you to watch and review. But we have done this before, and I think you're going to be okay. All right? So you're going to do the guided practice, independent practice, and the problem solving. All right? So set 177, 178, 179, and 180. All right? Okay, moving on. For your spelling, you're going to do cupcake capitals. Write each of your spelling words in all uppercase letters. That's kind of a new one. All right, so you've got your word bank up here with your spelling words, and you're going to write them in all caps. Then you are going to do your Thursday night spelling practice test. All right, so make sure you get that in sometime tomorrow after you do your work, and practice your flashcards before you take your test as well. And then for your word work, you are going to write a silly sentence. All right? Remember to take a word out of each column, write your own silly sentence, draw a picture, and then turn it over and write one on the back, a different one. All right, social studies, we do not have social studies today. What you're going to be working on is this science book. And this is that time of year when all of our plants are growing. So there's a life cycle of a flowering plant. If you picked up a packet that was printed, this is already printed. If you are printing off from scans, you're going to need to get an adult to print this for you, okay? Because we are finished with our social studies unit and we're moving on to life cycle of a flowering plant. So you're going to need to print this. And this is like our earth book. You're going to fold it. It's 2 pages, front and back. Okay, it's 2 pages. Put them in together and fold it up, and then you've got a booklet. Okay, you're going to read and answer the questions. There will also be a video in the science section of the PDF that has a video that talks about life cycle of a flowering plant. And that's it, my friends. Today is Share a Creation for our community Zoom. So please, if you'd like to join us and bring a creation, you're welcome to join us there. And I want you guys to have a really great day. Have a thrilling Thursday, and I'll hopefully see you on Zoom, but if not, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, have a good one. Bye.